sa mga exciting activities sa ating programa rin because we want to invite #1DOST4U spirit. We want you all to work together as a family through a game.
Wow, parang exciting yung game natin this afternoon siya.
Of course, hindi lang tayo may get to know the experts. Meron din tayo get to know each other more.
Alright, and now let's dive into our game for this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, kung mapapansin po ninyo, ang ating mga ushers ay umiikot at mamimigay ng set of pins sa ating mga participants dito sa venue. Kung titignan niyo yung mga pins, you will receive one set of design, isang design lang. The pins symbolize the DOST4 pillars, which are the wealth creation, wealth protection, human well-being, and sustainability.
Okay, so lahat na ba kayo merong mga pins?
Okay, wait lang. Remind muna natin ang lahat to please listen to the mechanics of our game para malinaw po ang mechanics ng ating game for this afternoon.
Alright, so what we would like you to do is go around the venue inside this hall and exchange pins with one another to be able to collect 6 totally different pins.
Yeah, you will be flashing here.
Can we flash the screen kung ano ang pin they collect sa ating participants this afternoon? Okay, anyway.
No, wait, huwag muna. Settle down muna. Hindi pa po nagsisimula ang ating game. Settle down po muna. Okay, so no visuals.
Okay, so dapat po ay makakolect kayo ng lahat ng pins na ito. Yung DOST 4 pillars, 1 DOST logo, and 1 S&P fellow logo.
Okay. Again, one more time, ano pong ikawalan natin? 4 DOST pillars,
1 DOST logo,
and 1 S&P fellow logo.
exchange to the participants na hindi nyo ka-agency.
Okay, dito po muna. Huwag muna tayo exchange na hindi na tapos yung mechanics natin. I would like to request everyone to please settle down. In a short while, we will kick off our game. But for now, I'm asking you to please settle down po muna. At hindi pa po nagsisimula ang ating game. But we will start in a short while just allow us to finish the instruction for the mechanics of the game. And we will continue.
The first three is to collect 6 different pins and to come up here in front to win a prize.
Alright, sige.
We will begin.
Ceci, ano sa'yo?
Go! Ang gano'n ang unang pagluto na makapalag ng 6 people points. Bumalik po as a winner and who receive a prize. Punta po tayo sa harap.
Let us foster
Pangunahan lang po.
1 DOST for you spirit.
Dapat hindi ka agency. Nagpakilala po inyo ang ating asitipelo at experts po natin. Kaya ito ang tulong ko. And one SNP Player Logo. Ayan, kilalanin po ninyo ang hindi ninyo kakahensya. Okay, mga 6 different piece.
Ilan na sa'yo, boss? Ano na ko? Ay, ano ko? Hindi ko na. Hello. Hello. Tayo.
Ma'am, ano sa'yo, ma'am? May meron na ako ng
Okay, we have one winner.
Ano
Okay, so yung first two is here. Maraming salamat po sa mga naglalaro. Sumunod po yung kaliwa ng birthday. Okay, yung hapon ng birthday later po. Okay, as our game, the mechanics we explained it kanina, sabi namin, the person three na makapag-complete ng aming players with just the first three na will be declared as winner. Yes, no, we're going to have one more director, to be honest. It's one. Yes, we have 6 different teams, pero winners na po. Yung realize natin kanina, only the first 3 winners lang po ang mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-interview and we can see it live.
Okay, so let's settle down para pumalaman natin kung sino po ang ating mga winner.
Okay.
Anong klaseng laro ba ito?
Gusto ko natin ipagpatuloy ang ating number after this program. That program, that's because once again, all of you please settle down dahil magkakatuloy na po ang ating programa ngayong hapon. As we explained, inulan ko kanina, sabi namin, only the first 3 participant will guess to complete the 6 different things will only be given as the winner. Yeah, the web production, web creation, sustainability, and well-being, the well-being, and the aesthetic balance level. Yes, sir. So, meron naman kayo na ito. Different things. That means na yun ang ay sabihin nyo na yan. But right now, we have 3 winners that we can go sa akin. Alright?
Okay na ako yung sinasabi.
Okay, so
Sabi nyo na instructions ng ating mga visitors. Ano ang best natin? Yes, po. Okay, I'd like to ask once again our guests to please settle back po. Settle back po tayo. We will continue our networking after this program, but for now, I'd like to request everyone to please settle down. Okay, tapos na po na tayo lahat. Nakapag-exchange po ba ng mga kids?
Meron pong nawawala ng web protection. Pumunta sa harap.
Okay, special announcement po ng protection na nawawala. Punta po sa harap. Ang daming web protection ni Isa.
Yan yung mahirap eh. Kaya nahanap ko yung blue nung una. Ito ba?
Okay, so ikot pa pupunta po sa exchange.
Alam mo, nawawala ako.
Souvenir. So, souvenir, magkakaroon kayo ng ating different days. So, it is composed of protection.
Ay, sir, ito ang wala ako yung
Orange.
Ay, wala.
Okay, isa na lang.
Kompleto ka na?
Anong missing logo, sir?
Ha?
Dito, sir.
Nakasara mo, bingo ka eh.
Wala kang wealth protection. Okay. Yes, ma'am, congratulations po sa mga top of the congratulations, there's one will only be the first team winners. Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay, so nakikita ko na namin ang abo dahil natutunan nila ang set of play. Yes. Nakikita natin kami si Secretary na gagawin pa niya road protection. So sa mga road protection dyan. Wala siya. Ay!
May na tayo sa networking.
Bulan sir. Bulan na walang protection. Okay, hanggang bulan na walang protection. Okay, so I guess we're now ready to continue the program. Thumbs up, ready na po. Okay, raise ba ninyo mga thumbs? Ayan, thumbs up, ready na.